In this video, we'll learn how to create your own customized ChatGPT for programming. These customizations are available for anyone who has a Plus or a Team plan and wants to create a ChatGPT specific to help with a particular task. In this case, we'll learn how to create a ChatGPT to help you with your programming tasks. Let's go. Step 1. Creation. Go to your profile and select My GPTs. Next, select Create a GPT. And then you'll see an interface with two chats. On the left side, you have the GPT Builder chat. On the right side, you have the GPT Testing chat. The GPT Builder chat helps you create your own custom chatbot. In a conversational mode, you'll state important information related to your desired custom GPT. The conversation always follows a similar pattern. The GPT Builder starts by asking information such as what is the purpose of your chatbot? What would you like to be the look and feel of this new GPT? And how would you like the conversation to flow when you are interacting with this chatbot? In this case, we start by conversing about the purpose of the custom GPT. In response to this question, we could say something like, I would like to create a custom GPT to help me with my programming tasks. I mainly work with the programming language Visual Basic while developing WPF-Apps.NET framework in the software Visual Studio 2022. When we provide a certain information, we can see that the GPT Builder uses this information to update the new GPT functionalities. In this conversation, we also discuss the name, the profile picture, the specific task for which we will use this GPT, as well as the tone and information we would like to be included in the GPT response to our prompts. Step 2. Preview and testing. After our initial conversation in the GPT Builder chat, we can move to the right side where we can test our new custom GPT. If we see anything that we'd like to update in how this GPT functions, we can always do that by going back to the GPT Builder and discussing what type of updates we'd like to do in our own custom GPT. Step 3. Configuration. In the GPT Builder chat, we have two tabs, Create and Configure. In the Create tab, we can message the GPT to help us build our own customized GPT. In the Configure tab, we provide instructions, but now in a more structured manner. Here, we can browse through the customizations we have made so far and make adjustments as needed to best personalize our own custom GPT. We can adjust the profile picture, the name, the description, the instructions, and the conversation starters of our new GPT. Besides these more basic preferences, we can also adjust the knowledge, capabilities, and actions section. In the knowledge section, we can provide up to 20 documents that can be used as knowledge stored in the GPT. For instance, we could add documents that provide additional context for our custom GPT to best answer to our prompts. This information will be considered if the code interpreter option is enabled in the capabilities section below. In the capabilities section, we decide whether our chatbot can browse the web, create AI-generated images, and run code or analyze data. In the action section, we can make our chatbot retrieve external information or take actions outside of the GPT platform. For instance, we can make third-party APIs available to our GPT by providing details about the endpoints, the parameters, and so forth. Step 4. Save and publish. When we are satisfied with how our GPT works, we can save and publish it. On the top right corner, we can save and choose the visibility settings for our GPT. We set only me if the purpose is to only be used by ourselves. We can set only people with the link if we do not want to make it publicly available, but we still want other people to use it if they have a link. We can set public if we want to be discoverable in the GPT store. Custom GPTs are not static, and they continue to learn through every interaction with the user. If you want to edit, you can always do that by re-editing to best match your preferences and needs. During the development and usage of these new custom GPTs, do not forget to continue to comply with best practices, such as privacy and security. These were discussed in another video. You are now ready to continue your journey now with your own custom ChatGPTs. Happy coding, and like and subscribe for more videos like this.